Hi friends, good evening. I just want to give a small update on Nifty because the charts and numbers are showing thumbs up to Nifty. But tomorrow, as I already mentioned, that Ekadasi on Friday it is bearish. Even last time when Ekadasi came, it was slightly bearish, not that much bearish because there is one more Astro event on that day was positive. So that is why it has not fallen that much. But this time, even the nakshatra is saying, very bad for the market. Let's see, but the charts and the numbers are showing, good for the market. So I just want to discuss about that only. So I'll share the screen and then we will take it from there. First, I'll share the PPT so that you will understand a little better. Okay, then we will go to the chart. Okay, so this is for. See, this is for tomorrow, 7th May. See these four numbers. Okay. So this is the monthly trend change number and it closed above this number, 14,728. And this is monthly, another big number because this will change every day. This will change. This number will change every day. This is a stop loss. Okay. And this number won't change for the entire month. It stays for the entire month. And this number, the third number, will change every week. Only in a week, on Monday, it will change. Okay. One second. My cat is doing a lot of mischief. She's my pet. Whenever I put a video, she'll come and disturb me. Go there. Yeah. Okay. So these three number, and if you see today Nifty, this is all these three numbers of futures. Okay. So this is Nifty closed, Nifty future closed above this number, Nifty future closed above this number, and it closed exactly at this number today. And 1 point higher, okay, 14,779, but it closed at 14,780. Okay. And if you go to Bank Nifty, it is below this number. That is why I mentioned bearish. And this is below this number also, it is bearish. But the daily number becomes bullish. Okay. So now we will go to the chart and we will see how this looks. Okay. Okay. So first, based on the date, I already mentioned 4th May is the very crucial day for Nifty. Okay. It is because of Mercury conjunction. The high made was 14,723.4. This also I mentioned in the PPT. And the low made was 14,461.5. Today, market closed exactly 1 point higher than this number. Exactly 1 point. And it closed at 14,700 and, 14,724.8. Okay. 1.5 points higher than this number. Okay. Close above this itself is very bullish, but it closed, maybe one point, we should not consider, but it closed at the number. That is what, we need to see. And the next trend change date I've already mentioned, it is May 12th. Okay. May 12th is the next big trend change date. Okay. So now this is fine. Then if you go to futures, one second. Yeah, this is what I told you. The three numbers. This is the black color number will change every day. Okay. And this closed at the weekly number. Exactly close to the weekly number. So based on these two, market is bullish because it closed above these two numbers, 14,729 and 14,756, and closed at 14,780, which is the weekly number. Okay. So by working on the numbers, it is bullish. Okay. And if I apply Ichimoku, okay, it closed higher than the cloud, but normally I don't use Ichimoku on futures because futures can be operated, but spot cannot be operated. So I will put Ichimoku here. Exactly closed at the cloud. Okay, so this is what I want to share with you all. So it closed at the cloud. Let's see whether it is going to give thumbs up from here or it is going to fall from here. Because if you see the the breadth of the depth of this cloud is very small. So let's see what we are going to do tomorrow. And going to bank nifty. Okay, it is well below the cloud. This is bank nifty spot, well below the cloud, and it closed below this date high, which is 4th May. Okay, it closed below 4th May. It went near to that, but it closed below that. Okay, so and based on futures, this is Nifty futures. So these two numbers, this weekly as well as monthly, this pink color, are very near, and it closed above this black color line, which is the daily change number. Okay, it closed above, and if you take the trend line also, it closed above that. And this trend line is in the down. It is giving amazing support. We need to see whether it is going to break, because when it is very small, it tries to break. Okay, or on the upper side also. So we need to see tomorrow. So that is why I said, it is at a very crucial stage. And as I already told you, Ekadasi on Friday is bearish. Let's watch whether chart is going to win, or numbers are going to win, or Astro is going to win tomorrow. Thanks a lot. This is a small update. And again, I'm telling you, I'm not a semi-registered investment advisor. Please do your homework before buying any stock or futures. And if you see, this is well inside the cloud. And bank nifty, it's better to avoid bank nifty as of now. But yesterday it was looking bullish, but now today nifty turned everything upside down, and then it started moving up. And normally, on an expiry day, we should not take futures closing, because it's well operated. So we need to go only with the spot. I've already discussed that spot number also. So let's see whether it is going to break the cloud tomorrow, or it is going to break down tomorrow. Thanks a lot for watching this video.